This store operates on a dropshipping model and has been selling a trendy product recently, managing to make over $15,000 from this product last month without spending a dollar on advertising. All they do is create content on TikTok, place the store link in the bio, and post daily content about this product. Customers start clicking on the store link and begin ordering the product from the store. They sell this product for around $20, while the product cost is less than $4, achieving a large profit margin and managing over 900 orders last month. Today, step by step, I will teach you how to start dropshipping, find a supplier that provides products at affordable prices, and begin setting up an online store on Shopify. Like this video and subscribe to the channel as I post profitable products daily. You'll find a Shopify registration link in the video description, which will give you a 3-day free trial, and your first month on Shopify will be only $1 instead of $39. Start by registering an account, and from there, you can choose the country in which you will begin selling, then create an online store on Shopify. The second step is finding a supplier to source products at affordable prices and ship them to customers. This supplier is Zendrop. Zendrop has millions of products, provides auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, professional support, and also has a free plan. We'll start by installing this app on the store, and after installing the app, we'll click here on Apps. Then select Zendrop, and from here we can search for products. This is the product the person is selling, and its price varies depending on the materials used. We'll start by opening this product, where we'll find product details, and if we scroll down we'll find variations such as available sizes and colors for the product. Next is the product cost, then the shipping cost, which varies from country to country, and you can select the shipping country from this section. After that, here is the total cost, and we start adding our profit, and here is the average shipping time. To add this product to the store, click on Add to My Products, then you can go back and add other products to the store in the same way. After that, go to My Products where you'll find the product here, click on Review and Publish. Here you can edit everything before publishing the product on the store. Name, product description, available variations, and from here, you can adjust the selling price. For example, I will sell it for $20, so the net profit per unit sold appears here. Next, I will choose images, then click on Publish to My Store, and then click Confirm, and the product is published on the store. If we go to Shopify and click on Products, we'll find the product already listed. We can now open the product and edit anything related to it. To see how the product looks on the store, click on Preview, and this is the simple product page, but it is not professional. To build a professional online store or product page, you'll find in the video description or in the first video on the channel a full tutorial on building a professional online store on Shopify and a product page that generates sales. But let me quickly see now if, after ordering this product, the order will be sent to Zendrop and if I can ship it to the customer. After the customer places an order and pays you for the product through the payment gateway you connect to Shopify, whether it is PayPal, Stripe, or Shopify's available payment gateways, you'll find the order already received in the Orders section on Shopify with order details. Then if we go to Zendrop and refresh, we'll see the order sent to Zendrop with the order and product details displayed. Here is the total cost, which includes the product cost plus shipping cost. Initially, we add balance here via bank card or PayPal equal to the order cost. Then we click on Fulfill Order, and then we start shipping the order to the customer. Zendrop offers you 25 orders to fulfill on the free plan, and if you make sales and profits, you can subscribe to a paid plan by clicking on Upgrade. Here you'll find the features of each plan vary by price, but all plans offer unlimited orders and also provide auto-fulfillment. So you don't have to do this manually, it happens automatically, saving you time and effort. Next we come to the most important step, content creation. Start by creating accounts on TikTok or Instagram, and begin posting daily content about the product you'll start selling. You'll find that this person tried several products and eventually this product was the profitable one for them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow our daily videos about dropshipping, and goodbye.